Cabinet of Assam here on Thursday had decided to grant ST8 status to Karbis living in plain areas of Assam. KSA Bokajan District Committee conducted leadership training program at Bokajan on Thursday. Ceremonial distribution of department vehicles to officers of Primary Education Department KAC was organized at KAC Secretariat on 20th October. Good morning, you're watching KAL English English Prime Time. The long-standing demand and aspiration of Karbi community living in the plain areas of Assam across the state seems to bear its fruit as the decision for granting ST8 status to the Karbis living in plain areas was taken in the cabinet meeting called by Dr. Himanta Biswa Sharma on Thursday. Soon, the shuttle tribe certificates would be issued for the Karbis living in plain areas. Over decades after decades, Karbi community was divided into two categories in terms of reservation. They are Scheduled Tribe Hills (STH) and Scheduled Tribe Plains (STP). Various social and student organizations had agitated and also submitted several memorandums to the state as well as the central government to grant ST8 status to the Karbis living in plain. The clause for granting ST8 status to Karbis living in plain was also included in the peace agreement signed between the 6 militant outfit from Karbi Anglong, the state government and the central government. Paying heed to the long-standing demand and aspirations of the Karbi community, Dr. Himanta Biswa Sharma-led government here on its cabinet meeting held on Thursday decided to grant ST8 status to Karbis living in plain areas of Assam. Earlier, no ST8 status was given to any of the individual living outside the jurisdiction of the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council under 6th schedule. But a historic mark for the Karbi community had made by Dr. Himanta Biswa Sharma-led government by taking a faltering decision to grant scheduled tribe certificate to Karbis living in plain areas of Assam here on Thursday. Sources added that the decision for constructing five-star hotel at Kaziranga under Assam Tourism Department Corporation with an estimated budget of Rs 100 crores was also made by the cabinet. In another historic move, fulfilling the long-standing demand of Home Guards of Assam, the decision to enhance the daily wage of nearly 24,000 Home Guards across the state was also taken at the cabinet meeting. Earlier, it was Rs 300 per day per head, but now it was enhanced to Rs 767 per day per head, summing up nearly 23,000 per month. Assam government had also decided to start Category 2 of Assam Microfinance Incentive and Relief Scheme by the end of October. The dates commenced for the distribution of the checks were 28, 29 and 30th of October 2022. The next cabinet meeting would be held at Silchar the following month. News X report for KAL English. On 20th of October at around 12:30 p.m. mid-noon, Karbi Students Association Bokajan District Committee organized a leadership training program with a theme Creation of Autonomous State under Article 244A by Peaceful Democratic Process Thrive at Bokajan Mini Stadium Hall, Bokajan. The leadership program was chaired by Raju Ingling, President of KSA Bokajan District Committee, and the objective of the meeting was briefed by Desoi Teron, Secretary of KSA Bokajan Regional Committee. Surjo Rongphar, Executive Member of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, attended as the chief guest of the event. Thompson Rongpi, President of KSA Central Committee, Laichan Ingling, Advisor of KSA, Sumit Timung, Jirsong Teron, and several notable leaders of KSA attended as guests of the event. Surjo Rongphar, Executive Member of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, while delivering his speech, expressed his gratitude towards Karbi Student Association for standing firm with the demand for the implementation of Article 244A of the Indian Constitution. Thompson Rongpi, President of KSA, while interacting with the rising student leaders, praised Dr. Tuliram Ronghang, CM of KAAC, says He is the only leader who always raised the issues and concern of autonomous state. Thomson Rongpi also thanked Dr. Tuliram Ronghang as he was the first to provide financial assistance of Rs 1 crore for the construction of new office building. He also advised the student leaders to always stand with the truth and to always fight for the people for their rights. Raju Ingling, president of KSA Bokhajan District Committee, while speaking to us, informed about the role played by KSA in tackling with the drug users, dealers in the region.
Aprang kibang jepan, anso se luka jali ke paprang dun jepan, padang de karbiang long sami, hemprek long lelang, lasi hemprek ki palong dab jepan, lasi pini ahok pet pen jik waipot.
Anantarong's report from Bokhajan for Karbing Long Life. On 20th of October, Dr. Tuliram Ronghang, CEM of KAAC, distributed department vehicles to the officers of the Primary Education Department under Karbing Long Autonomous Council at KAAC Secretariat Depot in presence of Richard Togby, EM in charge of education, KAAC, EMs and MSs. With a vision to bring quality education and transform Karbi Anglong into an educational hub of the state, Dr. Tuliram Ronghang, CEM of KAAC, had distributed departmental vehicles to the officers of the Primary Education Department on 20th October. Dr. Tuliram Ronghang, CEM of KAAC, while speaking to us, informed that the decision was taken after considering the topography of Karbi Anglong and West Karbi Anglong districts. As both the district belongs to the hilly region, departmental vehicles were distributed to fasten and ease the official work of the officers of Primary Education Department to supervise and monitor the education scenario across the districts. 4 departmental vehicles were distributed to 4 officers of the department at the initial phase. It was informed that vehicles would be provided to all the officers and inspector of school in the days to come.
Education Department state along Panma Kapaprang la Sonda Taxi Karbianglong Pendame West Karbianglong is Karbianglong la so education quality education ke banje phane tum bori pon bomlo asika to ka ve phan ham phanga song ke doan la pen ke da council staff atum education department dumanta cherap chetu dunang po.
Richard Togby, executive member in charge of education, Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, EMs, MSs and several important dignitaries of the department attended the ceremonial distribution of department vehicles. News Desk report for Karbi Anglong Live. Thank you for watching Karbi Anglong Live. Have a great day.